Well, hello, it's Bears back. Today I got this EVVA lock for you. It was sent from Fromefun. And works fine, works smooth. So we're going to try to get into this bad boy. Got another cloud covered day, which is always fun. We're going to the back. I don't know, I'll show you the key bitting here in a little bit. I guess I forgot to do that, I guess. I don't think I set that one. No. I don't think so. Nah, I just got a false set. That you can't do anything with. I mean, it'd be so nice if you could. I'd run back and, but I haven't found anything to. It just keeps dropping into this little false set here, and I can go through this, but every time I try to push back through, it resets everything. It's like because it's too tight in here, it's just hey, we got it. We got it. That sweet. I heard that big click in the back. Wow, I'll take that. Let's figure out getting this puppy off. Hopefully it doesn't give me too much trouble. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, you better not give me a whole bunch of horse crap. Oh, and I think it's gun to. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think this is big enough to get that. I may have to lock this back up, folks. Do have a key, but I don't want to use it. Give me a maybe. I'm shaking. I'm so excited, folks. What was that? What the? Okay, who put this on here? Oh my goodness. They really hate me. They really do. Shoot. Yeah, that's I can't get anything in there to spread them. Shoot. Dang, are you kidding me? Did we get it spread a little bit? Am I seeing it at all? I don't know if I'm even getting on it. The frickin' cloud cover's making it horrible. Son of a gun. Oh, you. I think I might have pretty much got some of it. Here, where is it? Oh, I hate these clips. They are my Achilles heel. Oh, you silly. Got most of it. There. I got it. Get out of there. You stinker. Give me a board. You sit there. Hang on, folks. I wasn't expecting that. So let's see about getting into this. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, other way around, silly. Down to the bottom where your little dillies are. There it is. Come on. Oh, come on. Sorry, guys. It's just not being nice to me. Aha. There's the cylinder. Where's that key? Key. What? Now what did I do? There it is. I got so much junk here. Let's see what we got. Did that just pop a bunch of crap out? Are you kidding me? Oh, I don't believe you just did that to me. Oh, that's cold-blooded. I've got 2 wafers somewhere, folks. I gotta find. Great. I'll be danged. I guess I should have watched somebody else's video before I. 2 and 3 had a wafer on top. Oh my goodness. Those are all standard pins. I just really, that was just bad. Now I've got wafers I gotta find. Shoot. Man, I can't believe that. That looks like a long standard. Oh, I'm going to be so upset if this is just nothing but standard. Okay, I'm not going to fight you. You need to come out, or no. I'll work on them later. Another standard. Is this just a standard lock? Okay, that's spring 2. Spring 1's not giving me anything. Dang, it could have been a quick video if I wasn't so unprepared. There's one. This looks like a, oh, there's a spool type. This looks like a standard lock. Almost. Except for that interesting spool there. A long spool. That might be what was my main holdup. Yeah. Well, you dog. Get on there. And last, looks like another one of those spools. Oh. All right, I'm not gonna. It just wanted to hang up in there. And that should be it. Yep. That's it. Nothing done in the top. And absolutely doesn't look like anything done in the bottom either. It looks like a stock lock. I wish they'd write stock on these things when they do them. I got 2 wafers to find. They go on 2 and 3, and I'll get that straightened out when I find them. But you got like all standard on the bottom, 2 standard in the front, 1 and 2, and then 3 long spools. And that's what's in this EVVA by Fromefun. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm sorry about the mess. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.